This technique is particularly useful when you want to lengthen the Achilles tendon as well as give space into the ankle joint. You can be using a single thumb as the point of pull and pressure, or you can double it up. Depending if you've got strong joints, then you can do single, but if you're a little bit more hypermobile, go to the double, the reinforced. If you note, you can see that I'm actually using my body to do the pull. So it is actually, as I'm pulling back, it's my body sitting back away from the movement. It's not so much me stationary and using my arms. There's not as much power and it's not as smooth. So you can pull using your legs and your body to do the movement. You can do single, you can do reinforced, you can do opposite directions. This technique is particularly good for lengthening through the Achilles and giving space to the ankle.